guys, today we are going to be making this delicious breakfast avocado toast with a sunny side up egg. This is really good. It tastes delicious and it's really healthy. I love eating this and making this. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here are all of the ingredients. You're gonna need half a lime. Oh, you almost dropped it. Half a lime. 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Make sure it's cut up. Got stuck to my finger. Then you're gonna need some peeled avocado. Mine's not peeled, but I'm not gonna get the peel. And then I also took out the seeds because I don't wanna eat seeds. Well, I eat like grape seeds, but like not avocado seeds. They're too big. Okay, so anyway, you're also gonna need some salt and pepper for taste. And of course, since we're making a sandwich, you're gonna need 2 slices of whole grain bread. Well, you don't need whole grain bread. You can use whatever bread you want. I'm just using whole grain. Okay, so now let's start making it. Okay guys, so I'm right now gonna go toast this bread. Okay, open the toaster. Ours kind of reminds me of like an oven, but it's a toaster, trust me. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring the pan in. The trick is when you're making this to kind of cut it up with the fork and then mush it. This is just how you make guacamole, except you add multiple ingredients into it. Okay, I think it's done. Now I'm gonna add in some cilantro and half a lime. Gonna add the cilantro. Well, I have to cut my cilantro up, so I'm gonna get my cutting board. Move those 2 things. There, I got it. Remember, when you're cutting with knives, you have to be super careful. Even though I'm not using a knife with that sharp teeth, it's still a knife, and I do not want to cut myself, because that would suck. I'm just going to pour it out. Make sure to wash your cilantro. Now, it's just like how you cut up any other type of food. You want to just hold it down and then just use your knife. It's really tough because it's hard to hold together, but it works. Okay, I think it's about done. I'm just gonna cut it like a few more times. One last time. Yeah, I think that's good. Now, let's add it in. Oh, there's like grass stains on it. Kind of like when you get grass stains on white clothes when you fall in the grass. Okay, now I'm going to kind of mix that together just a little bit because I still have to add the lime. Okay, now I'm going to mix it more, but for now, let's add half a lime. Now I have this little like juice thingy. I'm just going to cut this in. Okay, now you want to squeeze it together. Ugh, it's hard. Okay. Ooh, the juice is finally coming. Okay. A lot of juice is coming out. Wow, this is a cool thingy-jiggy. I don't know what I just said. Okay, well, that looks like almost all of the juice I can really get out. Look how flat that is. Okay, now let's keep mushing this up. Now let's add salt and pepper to taste. First, I don't like pepper that much, so I'm just gonna add 1 grind of it. You can add more if you want. And a little bit of salt. Shake, shake. Now I'm gonna mix this up. Hey guys, fun fact about avocado. It turns out that avocado is good for your hair. Like after you wash your hair, if you put like a little bit of avocado and oil, mix it up, then add it onto your hair, apparently it looks really good. This looks about done. I think I'm gonna start by making the sunny side eggs next. Okay guys, so I was about to make the egg, except I realized that I should have probably added the avocado on the toast first. So before I started making the eggs, I decided, let's do this first. Okay, it's like you're spreading butter on toast, except it's, well, avocado. Okay, so I just spread all the avocado on it, and it looks so good. And I can't wait to eat this. Okay guys, so I have the pan on the stove. Now it's time to turn it on. Gonna put it onto like medium heat. That's pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this heat, and then I'm gonna spray it with some cooking oil. So let's wait. Okay, so now that I sprayed the pan, we're gonna crack the eggs. Well, one egg. Okay, so let's crack it. It should be cracked more. More! Okay, that looks pretty good. I did it! Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this here. Gonna wait for that to cook, and then we're gonna flip it. Okay, so I would flip it right now, except once I flip it, the egg yolk is gonna it's either gonna break or it's just gonna get a little bit flatter. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it right now because I think it's pretty cooked. Oh, well, that's one way to flip it. Yeah, I'm not the best at flipping eggs, but you'll probably do better. It's not breaking. Okay, it kind of broke, but it's okay. Okay guys, so I think it's cooked enough. I think it's time to flip it. It's not really getting on the spatula. Oops. It's okay, I'll just fix it with the spatula. There, it's all good. Okay. I'm not gonna let it cook too much, so I think it's time to turn it off. Now, it's time to take this with me, and we're gonna put it on the egg. So, get this over there, and put it there now. And wow, look at that. That looks so good. I'm gonna try it now. Okay guys, so here are my avocado toast with sunny side up eggs. They look phenomenal. So I'm gonna try them now. I'm gonna try this one. Ooh. Oh. That tastes really, really